was something beautiful,
The elephants and everything.
Yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Did you see the one in the bathroom?
Were you exhibiting anything today?
No.
No.
Not a lot of we saw some.
I wonder if anyone's done the lifespan of pigeons.
I don't know.
We'll get one back.
Best friend over there.
Are you the best friend, Ida?
Diablo is my love, da, 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 da. Diablo, Diablo is my love, da, 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 da. Diablo, Diablo is my love, da, 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 da. Diablo, 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 my love. Once I had a love before the Diablo. Once I had a love before the Diablo. Once I had a love before the Diablo. Diablo, 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 my love. His name was also Diablo. His name was also Diablo. His name was also Diablo. Diablo, Diablo, Diablo wants my love. So why then can't I say Diablo when I can say also Diablo? Why then can't I say Diablo, 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 oh, Diablo.
Hallo.
Suddenly there is someone who I thought would never be. Suddenly there is someone for me. Suddenly there is someone who touches a soft spot in me. Suddenly there are love songs for me. Why this should be, I haven't a sign, I haven't a sign or a clue. All I know is that suddenly someone means something to you. Suddenly there is someone who sparks off a fire in me deep inside. Suddenly there is magic for me. Suddenly there is someone who swoops from the sky to stop my heart. Suddenly there's the one I've waited for. When this will be, I haven't a sign, I haven't a sign or a clue. All I know is that someone will free this lost chord in me. Suddenly there is someone.
Now you're rolling it. He's so rolling.
Well, I'm rolling his face.
Suddenly hear such music.
He's on the paper on the bottom. Okay.
Suddenly there are violins, and it's time for our dance to start. Finally, you find love in your heart. Finally,
You rolled that one back and forth when you were out. Slow up. Come on. Try again. Oh, that was better. Try again. Try again. Come on. Try it again. Come on. Ooh. Feel alone. All right.
Come on, get out of here. Do that again. Come on, you can do that. You can do it. I know you can. I know you can do it. You can do it.
Yes, push one more time. That's it. Uh-oh.
Okay, been a contender.
I could have been a contender.
You could have been a contender, but oh no, you had to not remember what it was you did.
And look at
Got
that
your
haircut
lines.
I gave you. Beautiful shampoo. Let's see if you still smell from me. You sound... you smell so good. You know, I got him waking me up in the morning, pecking my face. Look what you did.
For the sake of having you near.
Hey, Diablo, where are you?
Where's he at?
That's what I'm saying.
Lamps on?
No, I think the light's
How's the
enough.
light?
Light's fine. Gonna go after my shoes?
Oh, we're gonna have to get toes, I'm sure.
You're banging me.
Yeah.
I don't think you're afraid of me.
Oh, do you want the air conditioner on?
Oh, that would be a good idea.
Oh, and Ernie, there's a fan on too.
Yeah, can you turn the fan off?
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh,
Is it off now?
no.
Oh, that's It's my drink. I want my drink.
Did he drink?
No, but he nipped me.
Yeah, there's no question about that.
You didn't used to nip like that.
No, we haven't.
I'm the center of your universe, Ida.
Yeah.
Don't leave me.
Now. No, come on. Come on. Stop pinching me. Flap, 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 flap. Okay, Helen, I'm gonna move him.
Okay.
Get ready.
You should be able to hear Helen. Is that too close?
Well, Ernie, it's nice of you.
Hello.
Well, we can't shoot him now, that's for sure.
You gonna sit on my head?
I guess he's not afraid of the camera.
Oh, I'm sure you're not afraid.
So, Ernie, why don't you come take her?
Well, that's all right. Well, he's doing a lot of talking.
Thank you for caring enough about me. So, and make sure I'm photogenic.
Oh, I don't know how photogenic.
He may do it again.
Well, we're following you. We're following you. This is your day, so ham it up. You're doing a good job. Fighting with Ida's hand.
There, here, show your profile.
You can probably move it. Do you have a close-up button?
Yeah, but then he runs away. You know, you don't know what to do. 1 second he's one place. Next second he's someplace else. Oh.
See what he's fighting?
He's biting your hand, Ida. Doesn't that make you happy?
Oh, yes, it does. Come on, turn me loose, turn me loose.
Well, if you want Helen's hand there for a while, I'll get some shots. if you want to stand
I know
in.
that Helen doesn't want that. Come on, flap. Your friend, let your
Well, there he goes. There he goes. But it's really something how he stays in one room. Likes his one space. Oh, that's a nice shot there. Beautiful. There you go.
Oh, good.
toilet paper. He has his own toilet paper.
Yeah, you can get a nice close-up of it there.
You're doing a lot of talking, but no action, Ernie.
Well, your big space there takes up all the room, I think.
Well, you can sit here if you like and do it.
That's it. That's it. There he is.
It really has beautiful wings, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Let me see if I can spread them out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at that. A little white dab on his tail.
Is that pretty?
Oh, it's lovely.
And
He
it
gets bathed, you
It
know.
looks great from
Helen,
the back
he gets
too.
a regular bath and shampoo.
Look, Helen.
Of course. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let me get. It's great.
Mm-hmm.
Why is he so quiet when you do that?
Yeah, move in just a little bit. Where's your...
Well, then he's going to move. You never know what he's going to do. See?
A little tail.
Got to go a little further back.
That's it. That's all right. Just raise the camera up now so you get the whole. That's it.
So, Ernie, why don't
beautiful.
you do it instead of telling me what to do?
Huh?
Oh, did we get any of that?
Now let me try the ball and see what I can do. I'm not good at the ball.
Ernie, why don't you sit here and do it? Have the experience.
All right.
Animal
Move.
shooting is very interesting because you have to leave enough space because you never know what the animal will do next.
You got him, Helen?
Yeah.
Let me see what'll happen. Yeah, turn me loose.
Oh, he is moving it. We'll put
This
him-
is getting too loose
He'll
now.
need a circus act.
He does the circus act, there's no question about it.
Helen, but you move
Now,
that
I'm
way
gonna
and I'll
put
move
him-
this way and we'll harmonize.
I'm
here.
going to put him in his cage,
All right.
and then he will come out and sit here for a second.
Oh, okay. Can you get that, Ernie?
He'll be in here, and he will come out when he gets ready.
Listen to
We're
that
going to use up a lot of tape, I see.
conversation. Oh, there he is. Yep, I don't blame you. Take a look at the territory. Oh,
He has arrived.
he's
The master has arrived.
Yes.
Yeah, but you can take a picture without me.
Yeah, well.
Thanks a lot.
Not with you, no, we have to get some with you.
Ooh. Come here. Come here, you. Come here. Come over here. You getting shots without me here? Come here. Come on. Come over here.
Yep. Oh, you're coming over to see us, I see. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Well, there's no hands out from me today. Forget it. You had enough handout today.
He's certainly not afraid of anybody.
No, he's very friendly too.
Do you want something to eat? He's fighting for your food. He's fighting.